Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do an unboxing and review of my first ever Hermes scarf. This is a true unboxing. I picked this out in the Sydney Hermes store physically. Here it is. This is a 90 centimeter hand rolled silk scarf in the pattern Do Re Boucles in color noir, rouge and jaune, which means black, red and yellow. Boucle is a French word meaning buckle. It is inspired by the rings and buckles within illustrated catalogue of Emile Hermes himself, back when Hermes mainly produced horse riding gears. Do Re is actually taken from the musical notes Do Re Mi, but the Mi is replaced by Boucle, referring to the musical notes made by the metal buckles and rings jingling as the horse gallops. When I chose the scarf, I of course did not know this full background story to the design, but was purely attracted by the colorway and the contrasting color rings and loops. It is only when I sit down and prepare this video that I research a bit more into the story behind the design. This is one of the aspects that fascinates me regarding Hermes, or in fact any other fashion items I purchase nowadays. Rather than drawn to trends, I find myself more drawn to the history and heritage behind these pieces. It is rather romantic to have a story behind the items, and this also enables me to have better appreciation of the item, allowing me to cherish it even more. The quality of the silk is really quite divine. The texture is very smooth, yet there is substance and weight to the fabric. This is definitely a more of autumn-winter scarf due to its colour, and also in Australia, spring and summer really doesn't lend itself to wearing scarf very well. During winter, however, it has kept me warm all throughout the winter, which I have the chance to wear throughout the whole winter after this video was filmed with the unboxing. And now I much prefer this silk scarf over woolen scarves, as this is much lighter in weight but just as warm. From my visit to the store, I also picked up their homeware catalogue, which I thoroughly enjoyed browsing through in my spare time, and it also makes a great coffee table book. This is it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and this type of style of video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me and help me to build a channel and to create contents that you guys enjoy. If you've got any suggestions and comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Bye.